Same halves. Yes. 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 Khadija ma'am is teaching us really very well, you know. I love the new teacher. Thank you, Khadija ma'am. Khadija, I have a doubt, you know. How many lines does how many lines of symmetry does a circle have, you know?
Can you stop sharing? I will share 4 lines. Someone is scribbling. Someone is scribbling so much with yellow color. 2 lines.
Okay. Khadija, if you can stop sharing your screen now. I think everybody.
Ma'am, you share the screen and you erase it.
Okay. Okay.
Khadija, ma'am. Please, I can share. No,
No.
because that someone is scribbling so much.
Yes. 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 It's a lot of scribbling happening, you know. Okay. We
Who is scribbling?
Ali has
That's
not
why.
joined yet. Shazia ma'am, can we start?
Yeah, it's already time up. Sorry, it's already time, so we can start actually. They will join in.
Okay.
Vidhi.
Okay. Okay. So I'll share the screen. Okay.
Okay. You can only stop sharing.
Okay. So what is this? Circle. So last time we did rectangle, we did square, we did triangle, we did hexagon. Okay, we discussed about the different lines of symmetry. So we will surely revise the previous ones, but let's finish with the circle first. Okay, so this is a circle. You can see this point. We call it the center of the circle. You know, now if I say, if I fold a circle. If I draw a line of symmetry, any line passing through this center, we can say it is a line of symmetry. So, see, you can draw as many as lines you wish.
I can't hear you.
Sorry. Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, so I was saying that in a circle you can have as many as lines you can draw passing through the center. This is the center of the circle. Okay, this is the center of the circle, and you can have many lines of symmetry, because any line you draw, it is a line of symmetry. Okay, so
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
yeah, I'm not speaking right now. Just a second.
By what?
Okay, I'm telling you.
Ma'am, my network is low. I can't hear you.
Baby, I'm not speaking right now. That's why you can't hear me. Okay. Okay. Tell me if anyone can draw a circle for me. Come on. Okay, draw a circle for me. Come on. Using the not like this. Like this. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, I know how to
I
draw.
got two blue circles.
Okay, very good. One is this oval.
Ma'am, see, I draw the circle in pink color. With the inside, it's not coloring. See, this is.
Oh,
Why
very,
did you?
very good. Okay. Thank you for that. No one will draw a circle for me. Okay. So everybody know how to draw a circle. Okay. So
See, ma'am, I draw this circle.
very good.
Ma'am, see, I also draw circle.
So many circles now. Now no one will draw any circle for me, okay? Only I'll draw a circle for you. I want no scribbling on the screen now. So
See
this is
a
one.
big circle.
Very good.
Is it?
Now if I cut this circle like this, you know, is it a line?
Someone is making so much circle. When you're not telling to do, they're doing more.
Yes.
I'll draw it again. Ma'am, I'll draw it again.
No, no one will draw it for me. I'll draw it for myself, okay? Or I'll not-
But I drawed one.
Okay.
When
So,
lockdown was not there, then no internet issues were there.
okay, I want everybody to mute yourself. Come on fast. Okay, I'll stop the screen. I'll not draw anything on the whiteboard because no one is listening to me now. I want no one to draw any circle on the whiteboard now, okay? Only I'll draw the circle for you. Come on, everybody, mute yourself. There's a lot of noise in the background. Come on, mute yourself. Okay, now if I draw a line of symmetry, you know, if I draw a line of symmetry,
Ma'am,
yes,
we have to write in our book.
yes. If you can draw a circle, you know, in your book, you can draw in your book. But for all, look at this. You know, look at me first. Look at the whiteboard. Okay. Now, if I draw this line of symmetry, I have two equal halves. But you know, I can have many lines of symmetry in the circle. Any line passing through the center is a line of symmetry. Okay. So I can have many. You know, how many stars do you see in the sky? Can you count them? You can't count them. They're uncountable line. You know, they're infinite. I say infinite. You know, you can't count them. In the same way,
We
in the
can
same way,
count our hair also.
you can count your hands, but you can't count the stars in
No,
the sky.
hair.
Hair. Yeah, hair. We can't count them. You know, in the same way, you know, we can have many lines passing through the center, and so we say circle has infinite lines.
Then how we will do? How we will draw it? The circle.
Okay, you can take a circular object, a bowl, you know, a small bowl. You can take, you know, a bowl. You can keep a bowl on your book and draw a circle.
The symmetry line. How we can make it?
Okay, for this you need to, you know, you have to roughly judge, you know, where's the circle, where the center of the circle. So you have to draw. You take a scale and a pencil and draw a straight line passing through that center. Okay, you have to roughly judge where this center can be. Okay. Okay. Now they see. Okay. Now I have a you know, a kind of question for you. So I'll name the person, only that person will answer for me. Okay? Okay. Now Mustafa, can you draw a line of symmetry, a small line of symmetry with the first figure? Which is the first figure, Mustafa? Mustafa, unmute yourself and answer me.
Yes, ma'am.
You can see the first figure.
Yes.
Okay. Can you draw a small
Like
line of
this?
symmetry? Yes, very good. Okay. You can have only one line of symmetry. Mustafa, can we have other line of symmetry on this figure?
No.
No. Okay.
Only one line of symmetry on the triangle.
Okay. Khadija, can you draw the second? Can you do the second, second object? Can you draw a line of symmetry with the second object?
Done, ma'am.
Sorry? Done. Yes. Okay. So you think it's symmetrical, right? You can cut into two halves.
No, ma'am. No. It's not symmetrical.
Okay, it's not symmetrical,
Because
right?
of the
Yes, because of the point. Yes. Mana, can you do the third one for me?
Ma'am, when is going to be my chance?
Yeah. I'll come to you. I'll come to everybody. Everybody will have a chance. Okay. So you have to say me, yeah. It has one line of symmetry. And you have to name that line of symmetry. It's vertical or horizontal? Mana?
What are you doing? Ma'am, someone scribbled. Wait, vertical.
Vertical.
Ma'am, someone scribbled.
Yes. Please stop scribbling, please.
Then put on annotation option.
Yes.
मैं क्या अभी concept हूँ मैं class के 12 बजे की वजह से
No, point out. Ma'am, who you asked not to draw.
internet issue था तो मैं खा लूँगा जितना मैम
Ma'am.
Who is doing this? There's a lot of noise in the background. Come on, mute yourself. I'll give the name. Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Tell Shazia ma'am who will annotate. There will be names.
Okay, I'll do that for you.
Just go on view option, Vidhi ma'am. You will find rename the annotators. So you will come to the name of the annotators.
No, ma'am, just cut the part of the annotating. Who you asked, put there only annotating option.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, what are we doing?
Wait, Umar, I'll come to you. Musfira Rizwani, can you do the next object for me? Can you, Musfira Rizwani, where are you? Musfira?
yes ma'am
Vidhi ma'am, just restart the screen
Ma'am,
again
there is an
because there's lot of annotation on the screen. Okay, now we can see who is annotating.
Okay. Now, Musfira,
ma'am
Umar, mute yourself. Musfira Rizwani, can you draw the line of symmetry for the, your heart you can see.
On the heart.
Yes, and you have to name the line of.
You have to name the line.
Yes. Musfira Rizwani, fast.
Musfira Rizwani, are you drawing? Are you on the heart, not on the triangle? I think she is not able to draw.
She will. Give her some time, she will. Ali, what we are doing, we are just, drawing a line of symmetry. And the next question is for you. You have to draw a line of symmetry after Musfira finish, after she finishes, you have to draw the line of symmetry on the next object, that E. You can see E. Ali, you are mute, unmute.
Musfira Sayyad, are you sitting on a mobile or a laptop?
An iPad.
Musfira Sayyad, are you sitting on a laptop?
Musfira Sayyad or Musfira Rizwani?
Sorry, Musfira Rizwani, are you sitting on the laptop?
Okay, Musfira Sayyad. I'll just handle her.
Sorry, I'm not completed.
I know how to make a line, and that's why I'm asking.
Ibrahim, can you teach Musfira how to make a line of symmetry?
Yeah, ma'am.
Please
Okay, ma'am.
just teach her so that
Ma'am,
we can go to the other students.
she's using a mobile, in that there is not a option of option of annotation is there, but there are only a few options.
Okay, no.
Okay, okay, not a
Can
problem.
you highlight?
Do anything like whatever is feasible, Ibrahim.
Okay, ma'am. Symmetry line.
Rizwani, you can just tell me. Everyone else mute yourself. There's lots of noise in the background. Musfira Rizwani, just listen to me, okay? Just
Ma'am, I'm doing mine again, okay?
no, it's good. You can just name it, Musfira Rizwani. You can just name it. You can tell me it's a vertical. You will draw a vertical line of symmetry or a horizontal line of symmetry.
It is a horizontal line is a sleeping
Horizontal is sleeping
line.
and standing.
Vertical. Standing it is sleeping. Standing. Ma'am, standing.
Okay, you have to discuss these things with me, not with your siblings. Okay, you have to discuss this with me. Okay, so you are telling me a heart has a vertical, a standing line of symmetry, right?
Yes.
And you are correct.
Yes.
Very good, Musfira. Okay, Ali, can you draw the next line of symmetry?
I cannot do that. That's why I tried.
Very good.
E.
Very good.
It's so hard.
E, it's not hard, Ali will do it. Ali, come on. I want everybody to mute yourself. There's a lot of noise in the background.
Okay.
Ali, draw. Ali, unmute yourself.
Sleeping line. I cannot draw.
Okay, I'll draw it for you, okay?
Sleeping line it is.
Sleeping line, this way.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Sleeping line. Okay, next is Umar. Umar, can you draw a line of symmetry? Line of symmetry with this flower. Musfira, you are not supposed to draw this. Musfira. Okay. Ali, you have to draw a line of symmetry on this flower. Very good. Okay, Umar, mute yourself first. Now, Umayma, can you draw a line of symmetry on the car? Umayma?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Mana, the next turn is yours. On the vase. Very good, Umayma. Yeah, Umayma, very good. And the line is called? Umayma?
Vertical.
This is vertical line of symmetry. Very good. Mana?
It is too easy.
Yes, it's very easy.
standing line, all are standing line, and just E is the sleeping line.
Yes. Just you have to, use the lines, Zainab,
Have
next,
that line I am using with the pen.
Zainab, the next is your turn. Yes, Mana. And it's called
Vertical line.
vertical line of symmetry. Zainab, next is your turn. You have to, draw a line of symmetry on the last figure. And that's a human body. Zainab? Yes. Emma, are you doing it for her? Zainab, you are doing right? Zainab, you did it? Zainab, just unmute yourself.
Ma'am, that's Zainab's line.
Zainab, do the next figure, the human body, Zainab. Do it once again. Yes. And it's called? Zainab, it's called? Zainab, it's called the vertical line of symmetry or horizontal line of symmetry. What do you call it?
Zainab, you're not audible, Zainab. Zainab, we can't hear you. Just remove your headphone.
It's symmetrical.
It's symmetrical, but what? It's a vertical line of symmetry or a horizontal line of symmetry?
Vertical.
Vertical. Very good. So to draw a symmetrical line, it's very easy, but you have to differentiate between a vertical line of symmetry and a horizontal line of symmetry. Okay? So, who is left? I think yeah, Khadija, you did the first question with the triangle, right? So you are done. I think Musfira Sayyed, did you draw it?
What? I didn't draw.
Yes. So next question is for you. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am.
Yes. Now, Musfira Sayyed, please draw a line of symmetry and name them.
Wait, I'm taking the annotating option. Got it. What on the rectangle I have to draw?
Yes.
Wait, huh?
Hmm.
Now I can draw.
You can draw. Very
And
good.
now I'm doing in laptop.
Okay. Very good.
Done.
Done. And just name them.
Horizontal line.
Wait, Which is the horizontal line? The both are horizontal lines of symmetry.
No, one is a vertical line and other is horizontal.
Okay, so the standing one is vertical and the sleeping one is horizontal, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now I have Musfira Rizwani, this is for you.
No. I don't want to sleep.
I want everybody to mute yourself, please. There's a lot of noise in the background. Yes, Musfira Sayed, are you done? Ali, mute yourself. Ali, mute yourself.
Ma'am, I'm drawing symmetry lines
Come on.
on the diamond which I made.
Okay. Musfira Sayed, are you done with the diamond?
Who wrote this? I didn't draw this pink, green line. My color is pink.
No, I am asking from Musfira Rizwani.
Oh. I think I should have made this.
Musfira Rizwani, you're drawing it on your book. Okay.
What
We have-
I don't know what you tell because my network issue.
Okay. I said you to draw the line of symmetry on this diamond, you know, the kite you can see. The diamond shape.
Okay.
Okay, draw a line of symmetry. Mr. Sayed, come on fast. Draw it on this diamond. The kite shape I have drawn on the board for you.
Musfira
Umaima, you are
Rizwani,
doing
not Musfira Sayyad.
Musfira Rizwani, yes. Umaima, you did it for me? Okay. Now I have one more figure for
No.
okay. Khadija, can you draw it for me? The line of symmetry, Khadija. Okay, wait, let me draw this one. Khadija, draw it on this square, a new one. It's not filled with colors. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Khadija, can you tell me how many lines of symmetry does the square have? Khadija, just unmute yourself and tell me the answer. How many lines of symmetry does?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. Mana, how many lines of symmetry does a square have? Mana? Ali, don't draw it once again. Just try to answer my question. I'll ask from everybody now. Mana, how many lines of symmetry does a square have?
8.
8. Okay. Zainab, how many lines? What is your answer?
Okay.
How many lines of symmetry does a square have? 2 symmetry. Okay. Sumema, what is your answer? How many lines of symmetry?
8.
8. Ali, how many lines of symmetry? Ali?
1 floor is one also 8.
8. Okay. Ali, what is it? Huh?
Four.
4. Okay.
6. Yeah, 4.
4. So Ali, your answer is 4. Okay. Umar, what is your answer?
What?
Umar, what is your answer? I'll not tell me the question. Just tell me your answer because I've repeated twice, you know.
What?
If you don't know the question, I will feel that you're not attentive in the class. You know what my question was?
I didn't understand what you told.
If you don't understand, you have to prompt me at the same time. You know, it's always, always I ask you the question and you don't understand. You don't get the question. So you have to be very attentive in the class, Umar. This is the last time I'm repeating the question. You know, in square, how many lines of symmetry you can draw, you know? How many lines of symmetry you can draw?
4.
4 is your answer.
No. Ma'am, one is like this, and one is like this, and one is slanting, and another one is also slanting.
Okay, Umar. Mustafa, what is your answer? Okay. Mustafa, what is your answer? Mustafa? Yes.
Can you tell? I didn't understand what you were saying.
I'm asking how many lines of symmetry does a square have?
8.
8 lines of symmetry. Okay. 4. Okay. Zainab, what is your answer? 2 lines of symmetry. Okay. Khadija, what is your answer? 8. Musfira, Sayyad? Mana, it's 8. Musfira Sayyad, what is your answer?
What about ma'am? Mushkira Rizwani.
Musfira Rizwani, you said 8, right?
8.
Yes. Musfira Sayyad, how many lines of symmetry you can draw in a square?
8.
8. So this time, boys, all the 3 boys are correct and they said 4 lines of symmetry, and girls, all the girls said 8 lines of symmetry and they all are wrong. All the 3 boys gave me the correct answers.
What?
A square has.
Four already.
Four lines.
Yeah, Umema said 4 lines. Yes. Umema said
One
4 lines.
line.
And all the boys, Ali, Umar, and Mustafa gave me the correct answer. So, see, if I talk about a square, you don't have to count the small lines. You have to count the lines, the big line. I'll show it to you.
Negotiate.
I will call this as one line of symmetry. Yes, Umema. Draw it for me, Umema. Come on. Yes. This is the second line.
Symmetry.
Okay. This is
Symmetry
the
lines.
third line of symmetry. And there's a fourth line.
On the four lines.
On the fourth line. Yes. Thank you, Umema. Okay. So these are 4 lines. Not all the 8 lines. There's one
You
full
will
line.
do for here. Then it will be one side big and one side small.
Where, Ali? I didn't get you.
There. Here. This side you will do like this. It will be big side one and small side one.
Yes. So I think everybody is clear with the term symmetry, how the lines of symmetry, and the next homework I'll give you in the classwork. I'll give you the object. You have to draw the lines of symmetry in your book, and you have to count the lines of symmetry. Okay? And can you tell me quickly how many lines of symmetry does a circle have? Yeah, Mana?
All lines. All of circle.
Any or many?
Many.
Mana, what is it? What was, Mana? I didn't get your answer. 8 lines of symmetry in a square. Oh, sorry. No, circle you can have as many as lines you have. You can have.
Ma'am, three. Circle has three.
No. Come on, we'll do it once again.
8.
Okay, we'll do it once again. No problem.
I cannot. It is too hard to make a circle line.
Yeah, it's too hard, but you can look at the figure. I have drawn lines of symmetries, so I can make many more. I can have many lines of symmetry in a circle. Any line passing through a center is a line of symmetry. Musfira Sayyad?
Yes. 16 line. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, how many lines can you see in this circle? How many lines of symmetry can you see?
16. There is written 16 already.
Okay, but we can draw as many as lines we want. We can have many lines of symmetry in a circle. You can't count it. Okay, when I ask you how many lines of symmetry I can have many lines of symmetry. Any line passing through this point center is a line of symmetry. I can have many more.
50, not 60.
It's not 16. It's many. It's many lines of symmetry. See, I can have many more. I can have this. I can have this. Again, any line passing through this center is a line of symmetry. Ali,
Ali made.
Ali, you have draw straight lines.
I know how to make straight lines. Like this.
Ma'am, we can even make 4 lines.
You can have
Undefined.
undefined. We can say infinite. Infinite is the correct word, you know.
It will be like this.
Yeah, Ali. Ali, you have just drawn a small line. The line should pass the center, you know. It should cut the whole circle, you know. Okay, come on. Muspira Sayed, can you draw a line of symmetry for me on this circle with a pink color or any color you want? Muspira Sayed. Come on, everybody, try drawing this line of symmetry on this circle. Everybody can do, but with a straight line. You know, the line should pass through the center. The pink line is not passing through the center. Ali, your line is not passing through the center. It should pass through the center. Ali, you have to just locate the center. You know. Okay, so it's all mess now. We'll draw one. We'll do one by one. Okay, we have just 2 minutes left. We'll. Okay, the circle, you have just practice. You just try to locate the center and draw lines passing through the center. And the line passing through the center is a symmetry. You know, is a line of symmetry. You can fold a circle in any way. You know, you can hold it in any way. You can fold it. It will be, you know, it will be in 2 equal halves. Okay. So I think everybody is clear with the line of symmetry and symmetry. Just do your homework. Many of the students are not submitting the homework in the classwork. Try to do it. Okay. Tazia ma'am, we are done today.
Okay, fine. So we'll meet at 12 o'clock. Is it all right?
I'm done with my quiz and I got 20 out of 20.
Perfect.
Tazia ma'am.
Yes.
Which one? Ma'am, in this SDG, Alfia ma'am will come, na?
Yes. Alfia ma'am is going to take SDG. Okay. Can I end the meet, everyone?
Alfia ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Bye, everyone. We'll meet at 12 o'clock. Okay. And eat something before you join the.
Ma'am, last
Yes.
time Alfia ma'am was the queen SDG and her castle was Earth.
Yes. Okay. We'll ask lot of questions to Alfia ma'am. But before that, there's a request from me that eat and drink something. Okay. Before your last session. You should not be tired. Okay. Muspira, especially you. Eat something.
Okay.
Manha, Umaima, everyone, please drink a lot of water
Why
and eat
especially
something.
me? Why
Because then you
especially
get
me?
tired in the last session, no? Because it's the last session. Yes, at 12 o'clock. So quickly go and eat something, munch something, okay?
Only me, specially.
Yes, especially you, but everyone. This is for everyone, okay? Just come back at 12 o'clock.
Okay, I'm leaving.
Okay, bye everyone.
Did you get